Hey, Casas Adobes, Pastor John here with the quick take. This week we have some kind of scary scripture. We have in Luke talking about the end of the world and doomsday, and like people come and there are people who won't tell the truth, and then you'll see wars and rumors of wars and all sorts of terrible things happening, earthquakes, natural disasters, and everybody gets very scared by some of this scripture. And then we have a verse from Isaiah talking about God creating new things. The wonderful thing about this scripture, it's not about the scary stuff. Jesus is saying, you know what? The whole world can be falling down around you. There are people who lie. There are people who do bad things. There are wars. There's hurting. There's pain. But you know what? God has created a good foundation for us to build on. And from the very beginning, from Genesis, from the moment God was in creation and said, and it is good, there is a good foundation for everyone. So the world can be in turmoil, and you know what? We have a firm base to hold on to and a good place to build. And that's what Isaiah is about when he's talking about the beautiful new creation that God is doing. So, especially in this season that we're coming out of and the time of stress and anxiety and the elections and school getting out and all of the family dramas that sometimes come up around Thanksgiving, just remember there is a sure base, a good base, and even though things are going crazy, there's always a chance at creation. So that's the quick take. Hope to see you in Funday School. We're going to be talking more about this and some other things. So be creative and know that you got a good base. Okay. All right. So, as always, be well, be safe, be a blessing. Peace.